Today is a fantastic milestone. In fact, a milestone of note for Mirai Rail. We're standing at their facility and acknowledging, as you'll see behind me, what will be part of their 105 units for this year for the PRASA General Overhaul project. So if you had watched our interview that we did with the Minister of Transport during the PRASA 200 train launch, you would know that these guys are going to fill the gap whilst PRASA waits for their full 600 train sets. But also, this 10M5 or the yellow fleet as PRASA refers to them is actually for sale to anyone with a Cape Gauge railway. This is the first 10M5 motor coach to go through a general overhaul. I don't know if you remember the legacy of the 10M5s. So it was the 5M2s. It went through like a modernization program, if you will, with Transvac, which is now Transnet Engineering, many years ago. And it has still continued to prove itself as a really good passenger rail product. And as you can see, with the general overhaul taking place, they will give another 30-40 years of service without a doubt. So some of the things that I did learn is that they have their own wheel shop, component site, on-site, 2 paint booths, shot blasting, and then of course the assembly. From starting in October to what they've delivered so far with 188 staff, I think it's quite miraculous. So the motor coaches in the front, these are the plain trailers. You can see that they've actually been nicely kitted out, hard-wearing seats. And these doors, just by the way, when the train is moving, won't open. I just want to put a few things in context. Considering what this site originally looked like when Mirai Rail was first established, this used to be the Lady Rail facility. And when Mirai Rail took it over, there was like literally nothing. It had been a vandalized site, no power, just nothing. So they really have overcome some serious odds. From a PRASA and a project perspective, additional challenges in terms of getting the rolling stock to site in order to be able to execute the project has been a challenge. And here we are, having met an amazing feat. So this really is a milestone of note for Mirai Rail, considering they got this rolling stock in October. And now here we are a few months later, and they are delivering with a good team, and a team that seems to be really committed to each other and understand the responsibilities of working together safely and delivering for their customer.